So that's sort of probably my first misconception. And then my second one is a little bit more shorter and simpler, but the second one is I think AI isn't a tool or a solution on its own. And I know that might sound silly, but I wouldn't be out going to look to say, I'm going to buy AI. I would be thinking about what are your use cases? What do you need to solve for? What outcomes do you want to achieve? And then first start and say, what tools do I already have on the shelf that might already have the capabilities that I haven't switched on or I'm not using?
Mhm.
And then you can still go out and search and look for tools, but you're not out there to buy AI maybe as a tool. Instead, you're looking to support a certain outcome or a certain process or use case.
Yep. Andre says we partner with companies like SoundHound, who are a great resource for paths they go through to get AI into large enterprise companies. I'd agree with that. Um, I did a project with the world's largest bank, and they asked us to help fix 13,000 job descriptions. Right. There,
How many jobs do they have of those job descriptions?
yeah, a lot. Right. And these are just the tech jobs.
Mhm.
And so, that Oracle Recruiting Cloud is what they use. And it shows a little blurb on the careers page of each job. So they can't all be the same. There
Yeah.
has to be, right? They have to look different. And so I built a custom GPT because I wasn't inside the organization. I wasn't accessing data. Um, I was getting a file sent to me of job descriptions, and that's it. And so our job is creative writing and formatting, and then understanding. We built a universe of bias terms that they adopted, and this is how we eventually got their team the ability to use some AI to help with this process as well, by saying our mission is to remove bias from all of your job
Mhm.
descriptions, right? And legal loves that
Yeah.
approach. And so that worked out pretty good.
I think that's a great example of a really practical use and a great place to start too, is starting with something that it's going to have a positive impact in terms of removing some of that bias, but it's also not talking about decision making or anything like that. It's simply making the candidate experience better, getting the right people in, but also expanding the pool of potential talent that you're